Welcome to New Tampa Nature Park. This is just a little park in the middle of the woods. It's got a little playground. It's got lots of different trails, so we're gonna show you around. Hello. One of my favorite parts of this park is all the different hidden trails that you can go on. There's a lot of like different areas that you can go through. This is kind of like a main trail, but there are lots of like little ones that like go out of it. So over here we have one of the better marked trails. We can go through this little path here. And you can see there's a nice big long trail down here. Now there are lots of these little like trails coming out of this kind of paved area that you can see to the side. Yeah, these things lead all over the place. And you may or may not have heard of Flatwoods, but it's basically another park that this park actually connects into. We can see that right down here, we've got this trail going back onto the main trail again, as most of them do. So right here is one of my favorite landmarks. It's two trees that honestly really look like the number 14. So we got the one here and then the 4 there. So yeah. So here we can see one of the park's natural wildlife, a squirrel right here. He actually just ran right in front of us. And seems like he's gone in a tree. So over here we've got a little entrance that goes into Flatwoods Park. This one is blocked off, but there's another one that is a bit farther down there that is open. So over here is one of Zipline Park's bridges. They have one or two of these. They're just nice wooden bridges that they set up if there are bits that we can't cross. Along with trails, we've also got some big open areas like this. That would be good for like a picnic or even camping. So over here we've got another bridge, and we've actually got quite a nice little lake over here. We've got this little side here, and then over here, this is the biggest side. Look at that. Bunch of trees here. So as you know, this park is called New Tampa Nature Park, but we've always really called it Zipline Park, and over here is why. So this is the zip line that gives the park its nickname, and it's a pretty fun zip line. Welcome to Flatwoods. No, it's not Flatwoods. It's not Flatwoods. was.
You're trying. You're trying and you're failing.
Zipline Park. What's the real name of it?
New Tampa Nature Park? Is that it?
Yeah, New Tampa Nature Park. Now we will cut this part out where I'm talking here.
Okay.
We should just like leave that in.
This is where we cut this part out.
And then the 4 there. So, yeah. Okay.
So, yeah.
Oh, what else am I gonna say? Nice tail. Yeah, nice tail.
Nice tail.
So over here we've got a part that kind of goes into what is Flatwoods. That's the name of it.
You want to try that again?
Yeah. Hi. Where'd the sign go?
Oh my god. You scared me. Ow, that's hair. I thought that this was.
Where's the sign? The sign's gone.
It's literally just turned over. Oh wait, no, you're right. Bro, who stole the sign?
Be a responsible trail user. Travel at a safe speed. Bicyclists keep right except to pass. Pass with care on the left. And don't block the trail.
You missed like...
There can be like a person here. And like you're filming them.
Wow, you're spot on right now.
Bunch of trees here. Lots of water. Lake.
Good job. Lots of water, because it's a lake.